Hello, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a border around your page in Microsoft Word. So to do that, in this empty document, we need to go and find Design. So it says Design at the top. We click on it, and then we want to find a button called Page Borders. What will appear there is borders and shading. We click. And these are the different styles and settings we can have. Let's say we want to have a box setting. And let's go for a nice style, like this style. And we can change the width. And let's say we want it, instead of half a point, let's have it 1.5. And we can apply it to the whole document. We can apply it on the first page, basically anywhere in Word, but we'll apply it to the whole document in this case. Then we click OK. And there you have it, you've got a border.